Hands-On VMware vSphere 6 Datacenter Design. Section 4, Video 1, Storage Concepts and Technologies. Storage technologies supported by VMware include local direct attached, fiber channel, which today is providing speed up to 25 gigs per second using a proprietary protocol. Fiber channel over Ethernet is another protocol, however, it's not very popular as compared to iSCSI or fiber channel. iSCSI or SCSI transport protocol is a very popular protocol and runs over standard TCP/IP networks. It's also cheaper to deploy as compared to fiber channel. And finally, we have NAS, which is storage over standard TCP/IP networks, and easier to scale and easier to deploy as it also runs on the enterprise network. VMware supports all of these technologies, as we'll see in the following slide. As you can see in this picture, VMware is able to communicate to all of the technologies we reviewed earlier on. We see direct attached, fiber channel over Ethernet, and iSCSI, as well as NAS or network attached storage. Once a data store is created on these technologies, from a VMware or ESXi perspective, it's transparent where the storage is coming from, as long as the data store is accessible and VMs can be deployed on it. In this picture, very similar to the previous one, shows additional details on how VFS, which is the data store formatting, is deployed on fiber channel, iSCSI, and is accessible using the required connectivity. In the case of fiber channel, you need specialized adapters called HBA, and the connecting infrastructure is called storage area network, while iSCSI and NFS connect over enterprise network, which is why they're cheaper to deploy. A data store is a special type of storage which is formatted with VMFS, Virtual Machine File System, or NFS, and allows to deploy virtual machines, templates, and ISO images. As shown in the picture here, we have a data store which is shared between multiple hosts and ensures that there is no data corruption when the data is being shared between multiple hosts. Shared storage is required for many vSphere features to work, including high availability, distributed resource scheduler, vMotion, storage vMotion, and storage DRS, to name a few. And ESXi can be installed on the following types of storage, which include local disk, SanDisk, and iSCSI storage. To summarize, we looked at storage technologies that are supported by VMware, which include fiber channel, iSCSI, and NAS. We looked at some storage concepts and also data store types and shared storage, which provide additional functionality.